Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julie Evangeline, your sugar baby. Alright
Wow!
guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing. And it's universal guys. And let's open it in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Okay guys, so now let's go. Let's open it. Ooh! Pag-open ko pa lang, there is a free gift. Okay! Panty guys, seamless panty. Okay, freebie. Agad-agad. Seamless panty. Hindi ako nagsusuot nito, but thank you so much for the free gift. And ayan, so gusto mag-avail, meron tayong panty guys. Now, this is the main item. Okay? So, as you remember guys, may nag-avail sa akin ng gym short ko. Ayan. With thong. So, nawala yung gym short ko na brown. So, napag-isipan ko na bumili ng bago. Alright, but this time it looks like this. Ayan, ang ating gym short. New gym short, guys. Brown din siya. And it's a set. May kasama siyang upper. Okay, so ganito siya, guys. So now, let's try it. Let's go. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the gym short. So, it's very stretchable guys. Actually, I ordered size medium. Ayan, pwede ko yata ako mag-small nito. Actually guys. So, this is the front. Side. Back. Ayan yung back. Ganito siya guys. Ayan yung back niya dito guys. May crunchy. Crunchy. Ang tawag doon yung side again. And front. Okay, so this guys is not like the other one that I have, the gym short, logo short that I have. Kasi yun, talagang compress niya yung dito part. This one is super stretchy guys. So, pero okay naman, comfortable, hugs my body well. What part, what can you say about it is, okay ba? And yeah, this is the upper. Ayan, good thing, turn na kasi siya. So, I can go out like this. Diba? So, what do you think, guys? Good, right? Parang bibili ako ulit ng model. Bet ko siya, guys. Ayan. So, again, guys, sa mga gusto mag-avail ng thong, panty, and whatsoever, just DM out my Facebook page, guys. Lia D 2.0 or Lia D 3.0 or ayan, may meron tayong bagong turn, no? Na pang workout. So, kung gusto lang mag-avail na itong turn, no? Just DM me, guys, and we can talk about it. Alright? So, yun na, guys. And if you want to buy one of those for your girlfriend, your wife, for yourself, just DM me so I can give you the link, guys. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like,